the values of L and C in LC filter. Whenever we are using the inverter, we have to connect one LC filter. Output of this inverter, we have to connect one LC filter before giving to the either load or either grid. So the value of L and C are very important in connection of inverter to the load or inverter to the grid. So many people will fail the obtaining the values of L and C value for proper output response. So the output response of output of inverter is directly affected on values of L and C. If there is no sufficient L and C, your output response will not be the satisfied. So and there is a huge difference between the values of L and C and designing of LC filter like LCL filter for standalone mode and grid connected mode of if any inverter is there. So many people are requesting me to provide me the any code or any designing process for the to obtain the L and C value for proper L and C value of the particular application or particular load or particular inverter or particular design. So in this video you can get the idea about how to design L and C values and how it can be applied and which LC filter is applied for only load if LCL filter is for grid connected, and the difference between these two and everything, the details with the MATLAB code you will get the from this video. If you want the MATLAB code of .m file or in MATLAB programming, please join in our WhatsApp group, which is provided in this description link. So from this WhatsApp group you can get the easily the .m file. So let's we start our video. Welcome to our electrical research channel. Thank you for your kind support on this channel. And many people are asking me about the designing of LC filter. I mean the value of L and value of the C. After the inverter, we are usually connected the LC filter or LCL filter. This is the LC filter and LCL filter. I will also explain you the difference between LC and LCL filter. On the request of many people, I am providing this video on designing of LC filter in various applications. See, basically after the inverter we are connected the on LC filter or LCL filter, but usually if it is standalone system, if there is no grid, I mean it is standalone system, there is no grid, usually we are connected LC filter. If it is grid connected system, if inverter is there and filter is there and grid is there, if it is grid connected system, we are connected LCL filter. So LC filter is usually connected in standalone system where there is no grid, and LCL filter is connected where grid is presented. Why? Because see this is for usual application, I mean general applications. Sometimes we can connect LC filter in grid also, but maximum we are following like this, because see, if grid connected, if I will connect LC filter, then there is no L port here. If LC filter is there, then this capacitor will be working as a load on this grid, because grid is directly connected to shunt up capacitor. So capacitors will act as a one type of capacitive load, pure capacitive load on the grid. So in this case I currents will flow because of it is working as a leading power factor. So the voltages will rise. This voltage will rise more than the grid voltage or receiving sending end voltage, or this is also one type of sending end voltage. So this voltage will be the more. So this inverter will unable to transfer the currents from inverter to grid. So usually if we are connected LCL filter, and usually this L is less than this L, and I mean this two, usually these two L values are not equal. See, and there is no actually significance of this L also, but usually we are connected to oppose the harmonics. Usually LC filter we are connecting to minimize the harmonics. So once high frequency harmonics are coming, like 2 into F, 3 into F, or 5 into F, or 7 into F, I mean the even order harmonics will be automatically minimized, Uh, I will explain how this can be possible. But hard harmonic will be affected. In this hard harmonic also third order harmonic will be affected, and then fifth and then seventh, like that. Uh, so if basically if PWM is applied and it is 6 pulse converter, then automatically up to fifth order harmonics will be eliminated. That is another issue, but let's assume that third order harmonic is also presented. So third order harmonic is 150 Hz. Uh, if frequency is more, what is Xc? Xc is called 1 by 2 pi Fc. So whenever frequency is more, the X value is very less. So the impedance across the capacitor, impedance due to the capacitor is very less if frequency is more. I mean, for higher order harmonic, the current can easily flow through this, and this will be connected as a ground. Because for lower order harmonic, this impedance is very high, because 1 by 2 pi Fc, so it is very high. So the lower harmonic currents cannot be flow through this. So the currents will be flow through the directly to the load. For higher order harmonic, it will flow to like capacitor and ground. So here also, whenever the higher order harmonics are coming, this inductor, not this inductor, this inductor, second inductor, will oppose, because here X equal to 2 pi Fc. So X directly proportional to frequency. So whenever the lower order harmonics are coming, it will act as like short circuit, or like it can allow the currents. If higher order harmonics, it will act as a high impedance. So if it is high impedance, then there is no alternative for the current path. So only it have to flow through this capacitor. So whenever higher order harmonics are coming, this is opposing, so currents directly can flow. If this inductor is not presented, then currents can directly flow through the grid, or currents can also flow through the capacitor. So there is a chance to flow higher order harmonics through this capacitor, and this higher order harmonics is directly to the grid. Because if this inductor is not there, then there is no impedance across here. So whatever may be the impedance or resistance across here, currents are not allowing to flow in this direction. Currents will flow through the directly to the grid, because we are assuming that this impedance may be less than the impedance of this, then currents will flow. If this impedance is very high, by adding this inductor, then only currents will flow through this capacitor. So LCL filter is very important in grid connector, and LC filter is sufficient for standalone system if there is no grid. If loads are very high compared to this, these loads are very high resistance, so currents automatically flow through this capacitor. But if it is grid, then currents can directly entering into the grid if there is no inductor. If this inductor is there, for higher order harmonics, it will oppose the higher order harmonics. So those higher order harmonics will like to flow through this capacitor. So this is the basic difference between LC and LCL filter. But many people are doing the mistake that in grid connected system also they are connected only LC filter, and by using LC filter they are not getting the sufficient voltage and sufficient currents, because the harmonics are still it is entering to the grid. By using LC filter also, if if I mean, if this grid is allowing these currents, I mean this impedance is less than the impedance due to the L. See, actually this is my fundamental frequency, I mean the like 50 Hz. So this is my third order harmonic. This green is my third order harmonic. I mean, during one cycle, I can get the 3 cycles of third order harmonic and 5 cycles for fifth order harmonic. This will be yellow. This will be circulating in from phase to phase. See, this is the third order harmonic. Generally, this is the symmetrical wave. So Fourier, we are doing the Fourier analysis for only off cycle, I mean 0 to 180 degrees. So from 0 to 180 degrees, one end of cycle is there for third harmonic. So by automatically this is the positive and this is the negative. So by considering the total, this positive and negative will be cancelled automatically. These two will be cancelled. So only one third. This is the effect of one third, because three off cycles are there. So the effect now, these two are cancelled. So effect now is only one third. One third of total harmonic will be affected. I mean, if third order harmonic is there, one third effect will be there. If fifth order harmonic there, 1/5 or 1/5 effect will be there. See, this is the fifth order harmonic. So five cycles are there for complete one cycle, and for half cycle two and half cycle is there. So this positive, this negative will be cancelled. This positive, negative will be cancelled, and this positive only is there, and here only negative is there, because these two cancel, this two cancel, this negative is there. So complete 1/5 cycle will be affected. So by increasing the order of harmonic, the effect will be reduced, because 1/3 is more than 1/5, and it is 1/5 is more than 1/7. So whenever order of harmonic is increasing, the effect will be reduced. So you no need to worry about higher order harmonic. If like 21st order harmonic is there, then 1/21st of magnitude it will be affected. So it is not an issue, but it is a major issue with lower order harmonics, because lower order harmonics will be affected more on the fundamental value. So this is the basic thing. This is the basic thing, that how it is affecting. Like for even order harmonic, like second order harmonic, then two cycles will be there. So completely for half cycle, one cycle is there, positive and negative will be cancelled. For second order harmonic, for like fourth order harmonic, four cycles will be there. So two cycles will be there in half cycle. So positive negative will be cancelled. So generally the even order harmonics are not affecting, because the positive negative automatically is cancelling for the Fourier analysis. So yeah, this is the LCL filter. This is for grid connected. I am ignoring the value of this will be very less compared to this inductor. Normally less than 10% of this inductor we are adding, like 100 millihenries here, like 9 millihenries or 8 millihenries or 10 millihenries maximum we have to connect the inductor over here. This is also to give the smoothness of the waveform, because after the inverter usually we cannot directly connect to the capacitor. So those analysis is different, and those things I will explain you in another video. So in this video I will provide you the coding for to get the uh, L value and C value of the LC filters. So here L value, C value means these two values, not this thing. And in case of normal inverter without any grid, this LC filter value, this L and this C are the same of this L and C. So these are the basic equations. Here K is the modulation index, and this is the constant, and this is the VDC of my DC link voltage of the inverter, and this is the average harmonics of the content, and this is the L value and this is the C value. This by I mean, if you want to get these equations, you can go for this reference value. So I will provide the coding of complete this L and C value, so that you can easily calculate how much L is required, how much capacitance is required for your particular application. So see, these are the basic equations. This is for LF and this is the CF. Here we are using the K is the modulation index. Usually we are taking as a 1, but in my case it will be as a 0.8 or 0.9 or 0.95, because modulation index will be always less than 1. And this is the my load voltage, and this is the nominal current, how much current we are taking, this I naught, because I naught is here, and this is the fundamental frequency, and this is the switching frequency. So the order of harmonics is also, I mean, the effect or value of L and C also depends on switching frequency. So these things I am making in my MATLAB programming. See, here I wrote that modulation index is 0.9, and f1 is my fundamental frequency. fr is 50 Hz, and fs I consider as a 4000. This is the switching frequency, and this is the per phase voltage 4400 by square root 3, or 230 volts or 220 volts, whatever you can take it. And this is the how much harmonic voltage you can allow, how much percentage of harmonic voltage you can allow. I allowed only 0.05% of 398 or nearly 400 volts. 400 volts of my uh, percentage of harmonics is 5%. 5% usually we can consider, 5% of harmonics. And this is my nominal current. If it is load, then the maximum load. If it is grid, then maximum source means how much power you want to fed into the grid. And this is my VDC. My DC link voltage is 630, and here the k square I taken as a, and 15 by 4 k for 4 is I consider as a B, and 64 by 5 pi k for 5 is my C, uh, and D is 5 by 4 k for 6 I consider as a D. See, then here this is the KE I calculated A minus B plus C minus D by 1440. This 1440 is the constant. You can refer in reference 11. Reference 11 I already taken, and so then I will maximize. See, then this is my CF, the CC, this is also one of the constant, and this is my inductor, and this is my capacitor value. So by running this program, I can get the value of L and C. See, this is my value of LF, this is my value of CF. So 4.6 millihenries, 4.6 millihenries is sufficient for doing this, for these calculations. And 34 microfarads, is for the capacitor. But actually 20% plus or minus 20% of these values will be considered in any case, because another analysis is also there. This is for the nominal values. This is the simple programming. So this is the nominal value, and usually we are taking 20 to 30% actually. Why 20 and why 30? In which case we are going for 20, in which case we are going for 30, and which case in between these two. Uh, these things I will explain in my another video. But usually once you calculated this, you can apply these values in your real time of L and C, or sorry, in your MATLAB Simulink L and C values. If it is not working fine, actually it will work, it will work, but in case if it is not working fine, because I don't know exact your requirements, if it is not working fine, please consider plus or minus 20% to 30% of these values. Then easily you can get the very good results as per your requirement. So if you require this complete coding file of MATLAB programming .m file, uh, please join in our WhatsApp group, so that we can provide these Simulink files and these programmings, and all things are with the free of cost. And please comment in the comment section of your requirements, so that we can make the probable videos on your requirements. Thank you very much.